Hello and welcome to a new academic year at the University of Ottawa. Every year, I'm inspired by the energy and the excitement that students like you generate as you return on your campus to pursue your learning journey and fulfill your dreams. Thanks to your drive and determination, backed by the expertise of our professors and the dedication of our staff, uOttawa has grown to be one of the top 5 research-intensive universities in Canada and the largest bilingual French-English university in the world. Together, we are finding solutions to the world's greatest challenge, including climate change, healthcare, the rule of law and democracy, and social inequalities. And we do this right here in the heart of the national capital of Canada. But here at the University of Ottawa, you'll find much more than a place to learn and produce impactful research. You'll find a vibrant and inclusive community that is ready to help you thrive and fulfill your potential. It is on our campus and beyond that you will forge lifelong friendships and professional relationships that will change your life, launch your careers, and help you become better human beings. I'm Sylvestre, and I'm proud to be the President and Vice-Chancellor of the University of Ottawa. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. We've been waiting for you.